Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own wedding budget on Microsoft Excel. So here I've already opened the Microsoft app on my computer, and then what you need to do is you need to find the template for wedding budget. So search for it here, wedding budget. Okay, as you can see here, these are the list of wedding budget templates on Microsoft Excel, and you can just choose one of them. For example, I want to choose this one, and then click on create. And then here you just need to edit the wedding budget, the list of item, each of it. So for example, for apparel, your estimated how much is your estimated, and also the actual expense, and also the wedding rings, and also the others. If you want to add another item, just click on insert here like that, and then you just need to fill in each budget. For example, wedding attire, I'm going to click on 200 like that, and also the actual, probably more cheaper is cheaper like this, and this will automatically change based on what you fill in here like that. And when you're done, you just need to click on save it, and then you can also share it to your probably your groom or your wedding organizer or etc. It's so easy, you can just fill in the data here. Okay, so that is how you can create your own wedding budget on Microsoft Excel. That's all for me. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.